Good afternoon, grade 2s.
Good afternoon, teacher.
I can see all of you are doing well. All of you, I think all of you, you are doing well. We are having, today we are going to have an English lesson. Please, let's write English. Phonics and spellings. Today we'll do the long sound, I. The long sound, I. I know that you call it E, but today it's going to sound different. We are going to stretch it and it will be I. We are going to make sounds using the E. Please write everything. Let's write. English.
Everything that is in the paper.
Yes, yes, Palesa, everything written on the paper. Let's write. Kiara, you are done? Oh, Kiara is.
Already right. When I was writing my homework.
All right, good, Kiara. Please, can you write the topic? Write the topic. Let's write the topic. Everyone, I want to see everyone writing. Liam, let's write Liam. Liam, I cannot see your face. Now I'm seeing your neck there. I want to see your face. Yes, I want to see your face up to your shoulders. You remember I told you. Oh, Alwande is done. Thank you, Alwande. Yes, I can see you now, Liam. Much better. Welcome, Stelo. Welcome, Stelo, to our English lesson. We are just starting. Phonics and spelling. Long sound. Vowel I. The vowel I. You call it E in phonics, but today it's going to sound as I, and will make words. This E will make the I sound in a word.
I'm done.
Thank you, Ryan.
I'm done.
Thank you. Can I see the thumbs? The thumbs, let them come through. Yes, Darren, thank you. Ryan, thank you. Kiara, Alwande, yes. All right, Stelo, thank you, Stelo.
Yes, teacher. Should you write this?
Yes, write everything, Palesa. Please write everything on the paper. Write everything that is on the paper. Thank you, Makosi. Write everything on the paper. Then we are going to talk now. Which words are these ones? Which have the EE sound, but when you are making these words, they don't sound, they don't say EE. They will say I. All right.
Ice cream.
Yes, like Makosi saying ice cream, it's I. But these words will have an I, but they will not sound as I. The words will, the E will sound as I. You will see these words. I know you know these words. I know you know them. Thank you, Kiara. Thank you. I can see you are done. They have the EE, like ink, ice cream, but today we are going to make these words with the E, but they won't make the E sound. They will make the I sound because you stretch that E becomes an I sound. All right, let's wait. I'll take the hands after Lutando is done, all right? Ryan, oh, Ryan is back. Darren, are you dancing there, Darren? Darren, are you dancing there? I'll give you a song and you dance for everyone. You love to dance there. I can see you there, is dancing there. Don't worry, we are going to have a music lesson and we are going to dance. We will dance, don't worry. All right, Mr. Lutando, are you done? If you are done, can I see your thumb, please? Lutando, oh yes, Luyando is done. Lutando, please show me your thumb when you are done. I want you to think now of these words. The I is in the middle, but it doesn't sound as I. The E is in the middle, but it doesn't sound as E. Can you tell me these words? They will say I, but they have an E. All right, I'm coming to you. I'm waiting for Lutando. Just a minute. Let's wait for Lutando to finish, okay? Give me a minute. I can see some intelligent people, their hands are already up. Wonderful. People already know these words. Wonderful. This is good. Lutando, hurry up, please. Now our hands are itching. We want to start talking about these words. Our hands are itching. Hurry, Lutando, hurry. We want to hear these words. All right, Lutando is done. I said there is an E, but when you sound the word does not say E. That E sound will be I. Who can give me such a word? When you sound the word, it will be I, but it has an E. Yes, Palesa, give me a word. Sorry? No, ink is E. I want a word that has E, but it sounds as I. Ink is not the word that I'm looking for.
Eyes.
Eyes is an E, it's not the I. Anyone to try? Well tried. Palesa has tried. Kiara, please try.
Live.
Live. Good, Palesa. Live. Because when you spell... Yes, Kiara, yes. Live. Because when you say live, it's L-I-V-E. I is not I. It's, can you hear it? It's not an E. It's an I sound. You stretch that I becomes live. Give me another word. Live. That's correct. Another word, Makosi.
Iron Man.
Not Iron Man, no. Well
Light.
tried. I want the E sound to sound as an I. You see, like what Kiara said, she said, live. Let me give you an example. Like, yes, like. Yes, another word. Makosi?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Celo. Again, Celo. Line. Good. Line. Line. Yes, like. Good. Those are the words. Yes, Kiara. Another word.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Again, Kiara.
Pin. Yes, teacher.
Pin. Pin is I. Pin. Not pin.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Well tried though, Kiara. Palesa.
Leaf.
Leaf has no E. You see it. We are using this vowel. This is the vowel. Can you see it? Leaf. No, you can use leaf with the vowel. This one is E. That's the vowel that we are using. But it has to sound as I. For example, if you say, yes. If you say fine.
Yes, teacher.
Line.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Fine. Line. Vanessa?
I love teacher.
Are you saying love? I cannot hear.
Yes,
try Luyando.
I like. SIM card.
Yes, SIM card. Yeah, that's a long word. Yes.
Memory card.
Yes, Makosi.
Memory card. Yes.
No memory card. There's no I. No. Yes, hello.
Size.
Fine. Good. Fine is correct.
Size.
Alwande.
Orange. Orange. Yes, teacher.
No.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, yes, Clelo, sorry. Yes, Clelo. I'm coming to you, Ryan. Oh, Clelo is gone. Mr. Ryan, yes, Ryan. Ryan.
Size.
Sorry, Ryan.
Kite.
Kite. Good, Ryan. Kite. Good. All right. Here are my words. Here are my, oh, yes,
Friday.
Friday. Yes. Can you see it? That E sound is now I. Friday.
Teacher.
Kite.
Friday.
Friday. Good. Good. Friday. That is correct. That E, it sounds as I. Good. Then it becomes a Friday. That's correct, all right? Yes. All right. I have my words here. Who can read number 1? These words have the EE sound, but it sounds as I. Who can read this?
Mine.
Read, Ryan.
Mine.
Let's all say mine.
Mine. Mine.
I want you to hold something that belongs to you and you say mine. Look at me, I'm holding a phone. What do you have with you? A pencil, a pen, and say mine.
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 This is mine. Yes.
Mine.
The EE sound there. Can you see it?
Mine.
It becomes an I, so it becomes
Mine.
You can't see me. Who is it? Hello, I can see you.
Mine.
I can see
you.
Oh, sorry, Stella. Log out, Stella, and come back again. Log out and log back in. Yes, log out and log back in. I can see you. All right. Who can read number 2?
Mine.
Mr. Darren.
Fine.
Number 2. Together.
Fine.
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 I am. If I say, how are you? What do you say? How are you?
I am fine.
I am fine. Let's go to number 3.
Lane.
So,
Lane.
is an I. Let's read it. Line. Can you see it?
Line.
Is an I becomes line. Good. A line. When you go to the assembly, you go in a straight
line.
Yes, you go to the assembly in a straight line. Let's go to number 5.
Like what you are doing at our lecture, we are line.
Yes, a line. Let's go to number 4. Let's read number 4.
5.
5. Show me 5. Show me 5. Give me a high 5. Let's do a high 5. High 5. What's a high 5? Oh, that's a high 5. Yes, a high 5. Good. Yes, a high 5. Let's go to number 5. Read the word.
Bike.
Bike. How many of us have a bike? How many of us have a bike? Yes, a bike. How many of us know how to ride it? Yes, yours is red.
Mine is red.
Yes, do you know how to ride a bike?
Mine is red.
Oh, yours is red.
Mine is red.
Oh, yours is red. Yes, Vanessa?
I don't have a bike. I know how to ride.
Oh, you know how to ride. It's okay, Stella. When you pass, Mommy is going to buy you a bike. Okay? Yes, she'll buy you a bike. All right. Yes. All right.
Mine is red like this. Mine is red like this.
Thank you. Let's go to the next one. Let's read number 6. Read number 6.
6 is
I said this one is the I. So prize. Okay. Yes. How much is a loaf of bread? How much is a loaf of bread? Anyone who knows? Or how much are jiggies? I know you know jiggies. What's the price for jiggies? What is the price for jiggies?
10 bond.
10 bond? Oh, that's too cheap. How much is that? How much are jiggies? Yes, Vanessa?
Some they are 5 rands.
Oh, some are 5 rand. So the price for jiggies is 5 rand. Do you understand? So price is how much is something It's 5 rand. That's the price. Let's read the next one. Number 7. Read number 7.
Red.
No. Yes.
Red.
No.
Bright.
I said this one is an I.
Red.
Let's all say bright. Bright.
Bright.
Yes. What is a bright? What is a bright?
Yes,
Yes, Palesa. Yes, Palesa.
A bride, you put a meat.
No, that's not a bride, but we'll try. What is a bride?
I have a bride in my house.
No, that one is a bride. I'm saying a bride. Bride. Anyone who has ever gone to a wedding?
Yes.
Yes. Who is the bride? Yes, Kiara. Who is the bride?
People that do steps.
No, that's not the bride. But we'll try it. Who is the bride? Anyone wants to
And
Makosa?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
One person is
Someone
bride.
are marrying.
Yes, Alwande. Yes, a bride is umakoti. Umakoti is the bride. Let's all say bride. Yes, umakoti is the bride. She is the bride, the one who wears the white dress. I know that's the one you want to see at the wedding.
I love that dress.
Yes,
I already fainted.
on Kiara, we are still learning. You tell us stories later. All right, let's go to number 8. Can I see people put their hand up? Light. The light. Yes, let's all point to the light. Point where there is the light around you. Just point. Where is your light? Where is your... Yes, light is usually up. Yes, up. That's where we see the light. Even mine is up there. The light. Good. Light. Thank you. Let's go to number 9. Number 9. 9. Can you show me 9 figures? Show me 9. 9. There you go. Yes, 9. Luyando, 9. Yes, 9. Good. 9. There are 9 fingers. That's 9. Yes. Let's read the last one. The last one.
9.
Yes, someone has tried Makosi. Try Makosi.
9.
No, it starts with might. Together, might. Yes, I might go to Harare tomorrow. Someone is saying they maybe. If you are going to say maybe you do something, then you say might. Okay. If you have a maybe, whether you are going to do it or you are not going to do it, you are not sure. If you are going to do something, then you say I might. All right. You say Makosi, I might come to your house tomorrow. All right. So maybe I might not go. I won't see me coming, or maybe I will come. All right. So we say might. Okay. So now we've come to the end of our lesson. Who can tell me what did we learn about today? I will start with Palesa. Yes, Palesa. Might. Yes. Mr. Kiara, please, can you unmute yourself? Unmute yourself. Yes, so that I can hear you. Yes, Kiara.
We learn about I sound.
Yes, the I sound. You said when you pull it, instead of it becoming an E, like ink, it changes to an I, and then it makes words like might, like, fight. Yes, Makosa Yeza.
Phonics and spelling.
Phonics and spellings. Good, Makosi. Yes, Luyando.
We learned about light.
Light. Yes, we're making words using the I vowel, the long vowel where you say light. Yes, Darren. Darren, you're not saying anything anymore. Darren. Yes, Darren? Yes, the I. Thank you. Anyone? Yes, Alwande? Alwande, yes, Alwande?
Bride.
Bride, yes. You remember we said the bride. Yes, Kiara? Yes, thank you, Kiara. All right. Thank you, Kiara, Palesa, Luyando, Liam, Lutando. I cannot see you there. Alwande, Makosi, Darren, Stelo, and Ryan. Let's teach other two.
Teacher, thank you for teaching us.
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you, teacher, for teaching us.
You are welcome. Thank you so much for coming to the lesson. Bye.
Bye, teacher. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Wait, 8:30. Don't forget.
Bye, Makosayeza. Bye.
Bye. Bye, Luyando. Bye, Palesa.